Hey guys, it's me, Boy here, and today we are playing Roblox Jigsaw, and I am joined with 3 guests today, and it's Amara.
Hey guys.
Spidey Benz, aka Bentley. Well, he's super shy to talk. And then I am also joined with Mackie.
Hello.
And let's get started. We'll play part
1. We'll do part 1. Part 2 is really hard.
We have to do part 1, guys, but we have to wait for these people.
Bro,
Guys, get in. Get in. Are we all in?
Yeah.
Okay, there's 5 out of 6 people. Let's hope we don't die. Okay. Let's do it. It's time to play a game. What game are we playing? Why are we thick? Guys, we're thick. And Amara's naked.
I am.
The screen, yeah, your hair is blocking your clothes, so you look booty naked with just shoes on. Okay, now what is this?
So basically, you have to try to find a key.
It tells you when you read it.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, there's 5.
What?
balls.
I will not spend the rest of my life. If you want to win, you will have to find a key and escape before the time runs out.
Everybody will get one because there's 5 people.
Okay, bet. I'm getting one for sure. If I lose, I'll be so angry.
But and there's
Let the game begin. How long do we have? Oh, we have a
Okay,
minute.
you have to open these boxes to find a key.
It won't let me.
I found key 2.
I found key 5. First 5. Oh, yeah, I found key 1. Alright, guys.
Go to the Bentley. This door is 1. Bentley.
Go to number
Oh,
1.
let me open it.
Right there. Go, you have key 3. Bentley, you have key 3. Go this way. That one. Right there.
You found. Okay, we all found a key. Everyone, go.
Guys, I'm trapped. I'm trapped somewhere.
Okay, is everyone
Here, you.
Yes, I'm 2.
I'm scared.
2. I'm next to Bentley.
Who's 5?
I'm me.
Him.
Okay, me and I'm next.
Do you think the other dude's
Ooh,
gonna
I
make it?
got a key. Not sure. I don't know. I got key 2.
Good game.
What the heck just happened? Okay, I'm gonna put GD in the chat too. It said gymnastics for the. What am I supposed to do? Are we supposed to wait? Yeah, we have to wait.
These are some real folks right here.
I'm next to Adric and
I'm next to Bentley and this other guy.
I'm next to.
You have to tap the red dots, and then there should
we
be.
have
We have to tap the red dots.
Yes, and then there's a key. There's a key in front of you, and then you put it in.
What red dots?
You'll see they'll pop up.
You also have to escape through one of the doors outside your room. Your time starts now. What red dots?
They're about to pop.
Oh, this is so scary, guys.
It's the time that gets you. It's like, oh my god, I'm not gonna have enough time to finish this. This short is taking a fairly long time.
For real. Oh, I'm out.
Okay, now get the key,
And we gotta get out the which door?
and then put that key into the keyhole beside you.
I'm out. It says open me.
Okay, Matthew, are you out?
yes.
Is Bentley out?
Yes.
But there's not enough doors.
Yes, me and Billy got in. All 4 of us got in. Huh? All 4 of us got in.
Bentley died.
Bentley died.
Bentley's losing. R.I.P. Bentley. Bentley died, guys. It's okay.
We all.
We lost somebody, but another dude just took a spot.
It's fine,
It says soon the cube at the top of the circle. Once it does, you will have 10 seconds to press the button, which is
So
colored.
the cube at the top is gonna change the color. You have to click that color.
As fast as you can.
Okay, cube at the top. I'm kind of nervous. I don't
And
want
there's shotguns, so.
If you fail to press the correct button in time, the shotgun facing you will shoot you. Are you quick? Are you quick enough to stay in?
Got it.
Alright.
So did I. Took me 2 seconds. What if I die? What if?
I'm scared. Oh, the key one with the body.
Who died?
That dude.
Oh God.
Let's go!
Guys, it's just us 3. That means one of us is next. Or was it just
me? It's gonna be me.
Wait, what? I got white?
I got black.
What's this supposed to mean?
Okay, so you see those keys. So basically, there's some keys over down there,
Mm-hmm.
and you're supposed to grab the colored key of your dummy, and put the keys in each one of the holes, and then you will get the key in the thing. But only 2 people can make it, guys. Let's see who makes it.
Let's hope I win.
You are almost freaking won.
Save your dummy by unlocking all of the locks on it. The keys for the locks are at the end of the room. Once you unlock all of the locks, the saw approaching your dummy will deactivate and a case behind the dummy will open. It has the key for your freedom. Hurry though, only two of you. Your time starts now. How much time do we have?
It's not letting me move.
Bro, in real life you would pick up like 10.
No. Okay, wait.
Come on.
This is super scary. We're already at 60 seconds.
Oh my god, how has it already been 30? I have 3 keys left.
Who do you think's gonna make it?
I'm not sure.
Guys, comment down below.
There's 48 seconds.
Who do you think is gonna win, guys?
Probably not me.
I swear. I have a few. I only have 2 left.
Oh my god.
I think Mackie's not gonna win, guys. I'm not sure.
I never won, but it's okay.
Oh. Oh my god, it's less than 30 seconds already, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe.
To see who wins.
Come on. I don't want to
Look,
die.
I got the key.
Come on. Go in, you stupid key. Dude, the key won't go in.
Y'all aren't gonna make it because it's less than 10 seconds. Oh, me and Mackie made it.
Dude, I made it. I put the key in at the last second. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video.
Please watch more of his videos.
And that comes to the conclusion of Ader Boy.